Hey guys, Gavin here from the Growing Younger team, and this is the standing cable chest press. So on this machine, there's many different machines in this gym, very similar. All you need to do is a plug or a clip just in here. You pull it out, and you can slide this up and down to adjust the height. So for you, you want it to be about mid-chest height, okay? Then you've got these single handles, which are in the boxes just down there, and they clip on the carabiners. So for this exercise, what we're going to do, we're going to be working the chest and backs of the arms. When you do this exercise, you're going to be grabbing the handles and you're going to be just taking, bring it into your chest and take a big step forward. And once you take a big step forward, chest up nice and tall, and you're going to push forward. Slowly take it back and push forward. So that you want to, the pace for this is about 1, 2, 3 seconds, and then a push. Make sure the elbows don't go too far behind the body. You want to be stopping with the elbows just past your back, and then push forward. Back and forward. Make sure you swap legs after every set, because you're going to feel it in your legs as well. Right? You do this for the desired amount of reps that your trainer has asked you to do.